Today, we're going to recap some of the trades that I took today personally, along with a lot of the members in Inside Evolution Traders. Now, guys, to be quite honest, yeah, was today, the best day for the Nasdaq? Was, did the market scream up 500 points or go down 500 points and just absolutely catch monster moves? No, of course not. But this scalping strategy that I've been using has been beneficial this week. I was very fortunate enough to finish 100% green days. That does not mean that every single trade was green. There was losing trades throughout this week. However, the overall P&L, that equity curve, was going higher. Now, today, I honestly only traded for about an hour to an hour and a half of the market, because there was some solid setups, and I was using the 2-minute time frame. I'm using the 20 SMA. Guys, you can look at my chart. It's very clean. It's very bare. I'm not looking for much. I'm not looking to catch all-day moves. I'm looking to get in and get out. I'm a scalper. I trade Apex. I trade Top Step, prop firm accounts. I have 2 funded accounts. I'm running multiple different evaluations right now, and I want to recap some of the trades. So right now, my trading hours, to be honest with everyone, is an hour before the New York session opens, which is 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for me. And it's going into around 8:30 or 9, okay, right until we get into that lunch hour. And if you look back at the first play, we get an opening print at 5:30. We close over the 20 SMA. I'm looking for around 5 points. I'm taking the trade on the following confirmation at 5:32. I'm getting in at a price over 20,004. Within 2 minutes, it goes up to 20,007 and then goes up to 20,015. Price target was hit on this trade. Now, one thing that I'm looking at, I've got a swing low. Looking at the pre-market, I've got a swing low that I see here. I've also got this swing high from the overnight session. So I'm looking at this range. I do not want to take a short position, even though it does set up. I was kind of going over this with some of the members this morning. Like, guys, I don't really feel confident in this short, because we had a 200-day moving average sitting right below this price. And we also had, not taken out this prior swing low from the overnight session. So I wanted to stick a little bit more with the longs until we can test a prior swing high, and then I would be open for that short position, because then I would be playing the double top rejection. So on this particular trade here, 20,022, I get in on the following candle at 608, immediately go into drawdown. Now I want to tell you guys how much drawdown I was in. From 20,022, by the time I was filled, a little bit higher than that, but 20,022 drops all the way down to a low price of 20,016. So I'm down roughly around 7 to 8 points. So make sure that your account size, make sure the amount of contracts that you're playing can handle that amount of drawdown. And then we start to get the push up to 20,026, and then immediately get filled for price target here into 20,037. That was trade number 2. Once we tested the prior swing highs here from overnight session and was rejected without confirming to kind of push this level, now I'm open and I'm looking for the short position. We get a short position that sets up at 624, does not confirm. However, at 628, it does confirm. I don't even need to go through the math here. This was a third winning trade. Now I'm going through multiple accounts, the funded accounts, the evaluations, and I'm kind of just taking $80 here. I'm taking $100 here. I'm taking $80 here. Again, I'm not going for home run trades. I'm not looking to make $10,000 a trade. If I can make anywhere between $80 and $150 a trade trading one mini contract, I'm going to go ahead and take that cash. And I'm looking to stop my trading if I win 2 to 3 trades. Okay, very, very simple. Now, if I was to lose the first trade, I'll take one more. If that second trade loses, I'll stop. If I win, I'll keep going. That's kind of how I continue my day. Now, after this position here, I'm 3 trades in the green. I'm looking for just one more trade, kind of let everyone know, guys, I don't think I'm going to be, trading that much today. We get our next setup here. The time is 7:12 in the morning. That high price is 19,994. Within a matter of 2 minutes, runs up to 20,006. So this was my last and final trade here on all my accounts. And I was trading about 6 or 7 accounts today. All of them were in the green. Again, in the green, anywhere between $200 and $380, which is not a lot of money. But once it starts to stack up times 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, however many accounts you have, it really starts to be beneficial. I hope you guys all had a fantastic day today. Hope you guys all made money. Again, make sure you guys enjoy yourself this weekend. Make sure you guys take some time away from the screens and spend time with family and friends, and, you know, just kind of enjoy the start of summer here. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.